Hey guys, welcome to another amazing video. Recently, I came across a platform called OKTrading, where users can trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. One feature that actually caught my mind is the trading calculator, which helps you to learn how to win or lose during the trade. In this video, I shared my personal experience, my opinion, what I think about the platform. Does it worth your time? Does it worth your money? If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Welcome back guys, once again to another amazing video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you this particular website called OKTrading, which is a cryptocurrency platform where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. So if you are new to trading, I'm going to be breaking down how you can easily get started on this particular app and how you can earn from it. All right, so kindly stick and watch this video to the very end, because I'm also going to be dropping all the links that you need to get access to OKTrading. So for you to be able to get started as a new beginner, you come over to register. So once you want to register, you're going to input your Telegram account, your WhatsApp account, your email address. You enter the code that was sent to you to verify your email address. Then you create a password. Then if you have a promotion code, you are going to input that here. So that is the simple steps that you need for you to get started as a new user. All right, so once you have registered, you can now click on login. So in my own case, I already have an account and I'm going to log in into mine. All right, so this is how the interface of OKTrading looks like. So the first thing we need to know about OKTrading is that they are verified by the government. All right, so they have this MSB certificates that make them certified for them to operate. So you can easily verify that. All right, beginner trading on this platform, you need to pay attention to two things. The first thing is the calculator, and the second one is the copy trading, which gets 95% right of your signal that is going to be given to you on the platform. So I'm going to be dropping the Telegram link on how you can access the signal, and they have different time zone for your region so that you can be able to use that signal to trade. All right, so I'm going to be dropping all those right here. So I'm also going to be going through the practical so that you can do it on your own. So having said that, you need to come over to this part that you see deposit. So if you are a new trader, the first thing you need to know is that you need to deposit on your account for you to be able to begin trading. All right, so once you come over to deposit, it's going to be showing you the minimal amount, which is 30 USDT for you to be able to trade. So when you come here, you select USDT TLC 20. So let's say you want to deposit 50 USDT. You click on submit. So once you click on submit, you are going to be seeing this address, which is you are going to pay to. So once you pay to this address, it's going to be displayed on your wallet within 5 to 10 minutes. That is the amount that you're going to be using to trade on this platform. Profit and loss report is going to be displayed here. Then also the language. So if you are not an English speaker, you can actually select the language that is applicable to your region. All right, so let me come back. Then under this price setting is very important, so you can select the price settings that you want to use on this platform. So if you're in Nigeria, you can actually select Nigeria and you can continue using that. Actually band your account with your bank account using your email. You enter the code. Once you verify your email address, your username and your bank account number, so you can actually use that to band your account. Or you can use crypto if you have a crypto app like Bitcoin, Bybit and so on. All right, and you can input that and modify that. So before placing your trade, the first thing you need to know is that you need to pay attention to the signal that is going to be posted on the Telegram group of OKTrading. So I'm going to be dropping the link on my description, and also I'm going to be pinning it on the comment section, so do well to get the link. All right, so once you go over to the group, so giving access to information like the 1 minute signal, which is 24 hours for both BTC and Ethereum transaction, then the 5 minute signal channel, which is going to give you access to trade twice per day, and it's open 4 p.m. Singaporean time, and the second is 12 o'clock a.m. Singaporean time. Here are the exact time for the 5 minute signal channel opens based on your country, so you can always have access to this information on OKTrading Telegram group. All right, so for Pakistan, the first section opens 1 o'clock p.m. The second section opens 9 o'clock p.m. While for Egypt, the first section opens 10 o'clock a.m. and the second section opens 6 o'clock p.m. While for Nigeria, the first section opens 9 o'clock a.m. while the second section opens 5 o'clock p.m. While for Venezuela, the first section opens 4 o'clock a.m. and the second section opens 12 o'clock p.m. While for Colombia, the first section opens 3 o'clock a.m. while the second section opens 11 o'clock a.m. While for Spain, the first section opens 10 o'clock a.m. and the second section opens 6 o'clock p.m. So you can always have access to those signals on the Telegram group. OKTrading actually have 3 basic compensation plan that can really help you to benefit on the platform. All right, so if you meet up with the condition, you can actually get your full refund or partial refund during the trade. So either you're an existing trader or you're a new trader, if you follow this rule correctly, you can actually benefit from that. All right, so having said that, for the 5 minutes BTC and USDT signal calculator, if you lose this during the 8th phase, you can actually get 100% full refund of your trade amount. That is really good for those who are going to benefit from that. So how do you benefit from that? Let's say you lose all the 8 phases of your trade. You can actually screenshot it showing your UID number, and you're going to send it to the Telegram group, telling them that you traded on the platform and you lose all your trade 8 times. You can be eligible to get this full refund on your platform. So I feel that is fair enough for you to benefit from that. Also, for 1 minute BTC and USDT signal calculator, let's say you lose all the 8 phases during your trade, you can actually get 50% total amount refund on your lost trade. All right, so that is so good for this. Also, the first rule that will guide you and that will make you have your refund or compensation, and any trade for BTC and Ethereum, you can, and you lose $10 to $49 that day, you can actually get 10% daily compensation on your dashboard. All right, then the second rule, any trade that for BTC and Ethereum transaction for $50 to $499, you can actually get 15% daily compensation, right, showing there on your dashboard. All right, while for the third rule, let's for both BTC and Ethereum transaction, and you traded $5,000 plus that day, be eligible to get 20% daily compensation. So I feel this is fair enough if you take advantage of this. The basic truth is that once you follow the rule and you abide by the signal that is going to be posted on the Telegram group, you can actually benefit and win during the trade. Like I promised in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be showing my live trade and how you can take advantage of that to win during the trade. So the first thing you need to know is that you need to have an amount in USDT on your dashboard. So once you have deposited an amount, you can actually use that money to trade. So I'm going to come over to my home. So the second step is to pay attention to your calculator. So once you come to your calculator, you are going to be seeing the phase, the trade amount, and the net profits. But before that, you're going to be seeing on this top right corner here, you have to input the amount you want to use to trade. So let's say we want to trade 40 USDT for either Bitcoin or Ethereum transaction. So it's going to be showing you automatically the trade amount and the net profit for each phases from phase 1 to 8. All right, so you can actually screenshot this or write it down for reference if you need it. Either you lose during the 8 from the first to the 8th phase, or you need it to input on your copy trading. All right, so having said that, the next step now is a Telegram group, just like you can see here. So you're going to be seeing the different phases right here. You can see win in one phase. It's showing you that the signal is going up, and if it's going down, you can see on the 6th phase you can see 0. That means the signal is going down. So that is the purpose for either your 1 minute signal trade or your 5 minute signal trade. So you are going to be coming here to monitor it according to the time zone that I showed you in the video. So that is going to help you in order to win during your trade. So follow those steps and you are going to be able to win during the trade. So once I come here, the next thing I'm going to do is to come back and go over to the copy trading. So the copy trading, you are going to be seeing the 1 minute signal right here, the 3 minute signal, and the 5 minute signal. So let's say we want to begin with the 5 minute signal, which is 24 hours. You can actually trade. So you are going to come here and choose the sizes of your wins. So you can either pick big or small. So we can select big for this. So the next thing is to input the amount. So we are going to input the amount right here, and we are going to type 0.00039. So we are going to input that. So we are going for the first trade. So after that, we are going to input trade. Finally, if you follow the simple step that I highlighted in this video, it's going to actually help you to trade. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll be there to put you through. I'll be dropping the necessary information, the links that you need to opt into OKTrading. Kindly like, subscribe, share this video so that you can get future updates. Thank you for staying true to the very end, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.